10 proven ways to make money as a teenager. Are you a teenager looking for ways to meet your financial expenses? If yes, then this video is going to be much helpful for you. When I was a teenager, I always tried to figure out the best ways to make some money so that I can figure out my expenses on my own. There are different ways that can be used to make money as a teenager. I did different part-time jobs. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the 10 proven ways to make money as a teenager. Number 1. Sell your stuff at school. The first thing that you can do to make money as a teen is to sell your stuff at school or college. This task is not just limited to selling your personal stuff. Instead, you can also buy things at a cheap rate and then flip them for more price. If you have no idea about where to buy cheap items to sell, then I'll recommend you to check out eBay in this regard. Here are some things that you can sell at your school and earn some profit as well. Candies and other eatables, school supplies, notebooks, pencils, pens, etc., sports gear, etc. Number 2. Do online surveys. Another easy way to earn money as a teenager is by taking online surveys. The reputation of this income source is quite shattered as people consider most of the online surveys as scams, but in fact, not all of them are fake. There are a lot of websites that provide you with a legitimate way to earn by doing surveys. I'll mention some of them in the description box. There's one thing that you need to understand. You will not become a millionaire by taking surveys. However, they will help you get easy money just by doing a little effort. You can perform surveys while watching any of your favorite TV shows while staying in bed. In short, you can perform surveys almost everywhere. In my opinion, surveys are the best way for teenagers to earn easy money. Here's a list of some websites that I recommend for doing surveys that are legitimate as well. Swagbucks, VIP Voice, My Points, Service Junkie, ePoll. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is another great option to make money as a teenager. There are a lot of teenagers that are making hundreds and thousands of dollars per month from YouTube. On an average scale, if one of the videos on your channel gains 1,000 views, then you can earn almost $1 to $20 easily. And if your views go up, then your earnings graph will increase eventually. There are a lot of niches that you can pick for your YouTube channel, but I'll recommend you to pick up the topic that you are aware of and you're interested in. Number 4. Start your blog. Blogging is another source of making a full-time income. As a teenager, you can start blogging as a hobby or you can take it towards a full-time income source. As a teenager, you can start blogging as a side hobby, and if you pay attention to your hobby, you can actually grow it into a profitable business. You can start a blog by picking up any niche of your choice, but make sure that the niche you choose isn't too much saturated. Niches like beauty, clothing, fashion, sports are quite saturated, but if you choose one of them, you can research down some low-competition keywords in order to rank your blog posts on Google. After growing your blog, the next step is to develop traffic, and after that, use Google AdSense to monetize your blog. Number 5. Swagbucks. The fifth method to make money as a teenager is to use Swagbucks. Swagbucks is more than just taking surveys. Besides taking surveys on Swagbucks, you can do a lot of other things to earn money. You can also perform activities like playing games, watching videos, exploring through the internet, and even you can do online shopping by using Swagbucks. With that being said, I want you to know that you can become rich quickly through Swagbucks, but it provides an extra amount for teens. Number 6. Learn a skill and start freelancing. There are a lot of skills that you can use to make some bucks. Nowadays, freelancing is a quite common way to earn money online. But it's not a piece of cake. To start freelancing properly, you have to learn a particular skill that you can sell out to your clients. So different courses, ebooks, YouTube videos, and blog posts are available for almost every skill out there. Following is a list of some trendy skills that you can learn in order to make money. Writing, social media management, website development, gaming development, and proofreading. Number 7. Play video games. Everyone in their teenage loves to play video games. It's a sort of passion for us, but what if your passion turns into profit? Yes, you've heard it correctly. If you're good at playing video games, people might get interested in watching your live stream while you're playing. So while playing a game, you can receive sponsors, donations, and much more. Here are the best platforms for streaming games: Twitch, Mixer, and YouTube. You can earn money from Twitch Partner Program, Mixer Partner, Google AdSense, regular donations, and also you can make money through sponsorships. Number 8. Become a tutor. If you're good at a subject in school, such as English, science, and mathematics, you can become a tutor for junior students. There's a wide amount of parents who are always in search of tuition for their children. You can spread out your word in your friend circle so that someone may recommend you. This experience will prove out to be much valuable for you. Number 9. Babysitting. Another easy way to make money as a teenager is by babysitting. It is more than perfect as a part-time job. Parents who have to work or who have other reasons are always in search of good babysitters who can stand by and watch their kids while they're away. You can approach the people you know and offer them your services. Most of the parents need babysitters for nighttime and weekends, so make sure to schedule some time for a part-time job. Hence, babysitting is a really good way for teens to earn money, and it's been proven by a lot of people. Number 10. Sell your old stuff. Take out your old inventory and sort out the things that you no longer need. If you've bought things in the past that you no longer need, why don't you sell them? Here are a few things that can be sold at online marketplaces such as eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, etc. Number 1. Your old clothes. Number 2. Video games and gaming accessories. Number 3. Old electronic equipments. Number 4. Sports gear. Number 5. CDs and DVDs. And number 6. Stuffed toys, etc. Check out the retail price of the items you have, and while listing, decrease it to 10%. So, there we have it. This was all about the top 10 proven ways to earn money as a teenager. I hope this helps. If you've enjoyed the video, then make sure to like it and smash that subscribe button to get the latest updates about money making. Also, check out our other videos as well.